Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Canva AI Websites Builder, step by step. So if you ever wanted to create a clean and professional website without coding or hiring a developer, this tool makes it possible in minutes. So by the end of this video, you will know how to design, customize, and publish your own AI-generated websites with Canva. So let's get started. First, let's just go and open any browser that you have. Then go to this URL section and type canva.com. This will take you into the home screen or main screen of Canva. Of course, first, what is this? Or what is it? Canva now has the feature called Canva Websites. It's powered by AI. You can just type in what kind of website that you want, for example, a portfolio for a photographer or maybe a restaurant landing page, and Canva AI will generate a full editable website with layout, images, and text that you can customize. The best part, it's completely with no code, and everything is just drag and drop. So as an example, if you go to canva.com, make sure to go here and log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, just go and click on sign up to get started. For me, I'm just going to click here and continue to log in into one of my accounts that I have in here. So once I do so, I should be logged in right away. As you can see, this will be your interface. So from here, you will be able, as an example, to the search of millions of templates, go and type websites. Once you do so, as an example, you can go and look for website design, website banner, or just type websites and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you will find here, as you can see, a lot of website templates that you can use. Let's say I'm just going to use this one. Of course, make sure that the websites that you're going to use or templates, it's not premium, it's free. Unless you have the premium, you will be able to use it. If it's not, you'll need to use one that is free. Like as an example, this one, or as an example, this portfolio here, if you want to create a portfolio. So let's say as an example, I'm just going to create something for my products or portfolio. Which one should I choose? Maybe as an example, I'm just going to choose this one and click on customize the template. As you can see, they create basically for me a website, a template that's already like chosen. And all I need to do, just go and customize it. Of course, and as you can see here, you can start an example. This is what you have. You will be able to add another page as an example if you want to. So a lot of things that you can add. Just go here and delete this one because I don't want it. So yeah, as you can see, this website has 1, 2, 3, maybe pages, or maybe when it's become a website, it's going to be like a single page. But of course, you'll be able to create other pages and you can connect it to this because it's a website, right? At the moment, I'm not going to edit anything on this website and I'm just going to click on publish website. Of course, before publishing, you can go and click on preview to see how the website will look like. For example, this is how it's going to look like or something like that. So before publishing, there is here the settings option. And here's an example. For me, I have only one page. If I have multiple pages, I can name them as an example. I can give it a URL path or something like that. And for the settings as an example, make sure you can enable an example search engine visibility, the password protection if you want to. Use it just for yourself and an example for some of your friends, navigation menu if you have any, you can add it, resize for mobile example for anybody that's accessing your website on their mobile, and even social media example link preview if the link is sent or not. So you can enable whatever you want and then you can go and click on continue to publish. So once you do so, you'll find here the URL and you can go and click on publish. You can even edit the URL as example if you want to. So you can name it my products as an example. So this is good. I'm just going to click on publish. And here, prepare your design. So all I need to do, just wait a little bit. And normally the website should be published. I can just go and click on view websites. And here we are. I do have my websites right here that at the moment has only one page, the pages that I created. If I have multiple pages, I'll be able, as an example, to click on it. As you can see, the buttons are not working properly because it's just basically a template of images that you'll be able to change. So this is not exactly what we want. This is not even Canva AI. We used a normal stuff, right? So to save time, as an example, I already entered the prompt to Canva AI. So once we go before an example to canva.com, on this left panel, we have Canva AI, as you can see on the left panel. If you go and click on that, you'll be able, an example, to access Canva AI, and you'll be able to type whatever you want. So I just typed to Canva AI the following. I want to create a portfolio website for my work. And as you can see, I'll create a beautiful portfolio for you. And here we are. It's already created everything for me. So as you can see, and this is using Canva. Of course, for you, once you type the prompt, you'll have to wait about 5 minutes until it creates, because it will create everything for you. Of course, probably it will create it using HTML code. So you'll see everything right there, and you'll see an example. So if I click on show code, as you can see, I'll see all the code right here. I can even copy code, and if I want to publish it somewhere, I'll be able to publish it. I have no coding skills, so I don't have to go and, oh, maybe I want to edit that, I want to edit that. No, I can just go and ask it. Oh, I did as an example, like the colors. So as example, the colors. Can you make them as example, or make it blue? Let's just say so, and hit the enter button, and let's see. So hold tight. As you can see, it's you're talking with an agent, and it generates an example code, and it'll change your website's example to another color. So instead of like purple in here, whatever, it will change it to blue. So I'll just have to wait a bit. An example, this may take a moment. That's why I typed the prompts before. So just take a moment, and we don't need this anymore because it's a useless website. And yeah, just wait a little bit and you should be good to go. Of course, you can even click on things to see like how does function. So this website that's created with AI, it has buttons and it's working, not like the other one. So you can even click on use design or use in a design if you want to, and you can choose website, presentation, doc, whiteboard, whatever you want. For me, if you go and click on website, it will basically create the same thing as before for you, and you can go and click on publish again. So I'm not going to edit any of the settings. It's the same settings as before. So I'll just go and click on publish website and click on view website. But as you can see, this website is actually better, and it's created for you, and it has buttons that are working, not like the other template that we choose. So of course, I didn't want to wait for this until generate, because it will take some time. As an example, even up to 5-10 minutes, especially if it has a little load or you ask him for something a little bit annoying. So as an example, okay, it's telling me that it changed the color, and here we are. It's changed the color to blue instead of purple. Now I can go and click on use this design or website as an example again, and here we are. So publish this website. Yeah, okay, I already have like too many websites published. So as you can see, 5 out of 5 websites published, so I cannot publish more unless I upgrade to premium, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to use this purple one as example, and as you can see, it's working. I can just go and copy this. I'll open incognito and paste it, and everyone can access my website, as you can see. So everyone can click on get in touch, as example, like contact me and every single stuff. Of course, we still didn't change anything on this website. I can go and ask AI to change an example, my contact information. So as my email, my phone, my location, add here an example, a link to my Instagram and any of my social media. If I want to add any skills and expertise, example, any project that I've worked on. So I'll be able to upload anything that I want in here to the AI, and it will add it to the websites right away. As simple as that. So that should be basically it for you. I'd advise you, of course, to make things simple. Don't ask for complicated stuff because it's just Canva after all. And make sure to use some high quality like images, and add a call to action button like a book now or contact me as here in the below example, send a message. So people can contact you, so they can be interactive with their or with your portfolio. If you're creating a portfolio, if you're creating it for something else, you can add it or you don't. It's totally up to you. So that's basically it. You know now how to create and customize and publish a website with Canva AI Website Builder. It's one of the fastest ways to get professional site live, especially for beginners. So if you like this video, make sure to comment down below and like it. Of course, if you want to edit it, you'll be always be able to come here and edit whatever you want. Some stuff like some like a few stuff. Let me just go and click on edit design. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to edit some stuff, but it's not like that you can edit manually. You can just edit maybe some animation stuff like not text and stuff like that. You can just ask Canva AI to edit that for you. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.